And in our top business story, the UAE stock markets fell on Tuesday as oil prices continued to drop and the federal market regulator halted 4 prominent investors from trading on the country's stock exchanges. The Dubai Financial Market General Index fell 5.4%, while the Abu Dhabi Securities Market General Index lost 2.18%, with the Dubai Index the worst performer on Tuesday among more than 90 indexes tracked globally by Bloomberg. The Dubai measure has lost 13% of its value this month, while the Abu Dhabi market has shed 5%. The panic selling started in mid-November as the rapid decline in oil prices triggered concerns over economic growth in the UAE. Tuesday's stock market decline coincided with the news that the Securities and Commodities Authority has prohibited 4 prominent investors from trading in securities, although the authority has declined to name the investors or reveal the reason behind their prohibition from stock trading activities. The move is another step that the authority is taking to clamp down on market manipulation and other illegal activities that may have contributed to the slide in UAE equities. The SCA has been seeking to stem the slide in the stock market that has been triggered by panic selling from retail investors amid reports of short selling fueling volatility on UAE bourses. The SCA has warned bankers and brokers that illegal short selling is illegal, adding that any short selling activity would be subject to fines and legal enforcement. Short selling is the practice of selling borrowed shares in the hope of buying them back later at a lower price, returning them to the original owner and keeping the difference. China will reportedly speed up free trade talks with 6 countries in the Arabian Peninsula, according to a report by Chinese state media, as Beijing accelerates efforts to sign such agreements. China and members of the Gulf Cooperation Council, the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman and Qatar, started free trade talks in 2004, and a deal will help China cut costs on energy imports from the region. The official China Daily, quoting officials from the Commerce Ministry's International Trade and Economic Affairs Department, stated that GCC countries consider China as a major market for their petrochemical products and that the FTA will assist those nations in their industrial development. China inked major free trade agreements with Australia and South Korea this year and already has deals with a handful of other countries, including Costa Rica, Peru, New Zealand, and the Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Etihad Airways, the national airline of the United Arab Emirates, has signed a codeshare agreement with Aerolíneas Argentinas, one of South America's leading airlines. Effective from the 1st of February, the agreement will offer Etihad Airways guests greater access to South America via Aerolíneas Argentinas' Buenos Aires hub. As part of the agreement, Etihad Airways will place its EY flight code on Aerolíneas operated flights across the Argentinian airline's extensive domestic network, as well as to key destinations in South America, including Uruguay, Chile and Paraguay. Guests will be able to travel on Etihad Airways marketed flights to Buenos Aires and from there to 20 popular destinations in South America. Commenting on the announcement, Etihad's President and Chief Executive Officer James Hogan stated that the new commercial partnership with Aerolíneas Argentinas is a significant development for both airlines, with both now able to enhance business and leisure travel offerings between the UAE, Argentina and onwards to the strategically important South American market. The Emirates Green Building Council has launched a service to make it easier for energy-efficient companies to find partners and potential customers. The online database aims to connect energy consultants with contractors, equipment vendors, facility management companies, banks, insurance companies and other players in the sector. Saeed Al-Abbar, the council's chairman, was quoted as saying that the initiative was in response to growing interest in reducing energy use from the public and private sectors. He added that although regulators in Abu Dhabi and Dubai were aiming to improve the energy efficiency of new buildings, improving the energy consumption of existing buildings would help significantly reduce energy demand. In Dubai, there are about 120,000 buildings and most consume large amounts of energy. According to the council, there is growing recognition about the potential of retrofitting existing buildings to minimize energy usage. The initiative is available only to council members, which comprise 150 companies and organizations.